Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the default system font in Windows 11. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, power on your computer and wait for Windows 11 to fully load. Make sure everything is completely booted up before proceeding with any changes. This ensures that all system processes are running smoothly and ready for you to make modifications. Once your PC is ready and everything has loaded, direct your attention to your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. You'll see the Windows Start menu button, which is typically located on the left side of the taskbar. Go ahead and click on it to open the Start menu. This is your main hub for accessing all system settings and applications. After the Start menu opens, you'll notice a search bar at the top. Type in Control Panel in this search field and then press Enter on your keyboard. This will launch the Control Panel window, which is the central location for managing various system settings and configurations in Windows 11. The Control Panel gives you access to customize many aspects of your operating system. From the Control Panel window that appears, look for the Fonts option among the various settings available. Click on it to open the Fonts Management interface. This is where Windows stores and manages all the typography options available on your system. Once you're in the Fonts section, you'll see several fonts listed along with their typography display. Each font will show you a preview of how it looks, making it easier to choose one that suits your preference. Now here's the simple part. Simply double-click on any font you wish to use as your default system font. When you do this, Windows 11 will automatically apply that font as your default system font across your PC. The change takes effect immediately, giving your entire system interface a fresh new look. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the default system font in Windows 11, personalizing your computer's appearance to match your style. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.